All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Lovers Trading Group, part two. Welcome all Cryptoballers, Oracle Disciples, everybody in the Cryptoverse. Welcome back. This is part two, AAVE and the AMM Liquidity Pool release, okay, and its impact on the market. Obviously, you've covered video one. I'll put that link here in the description. And make sure that you come and join our trading community. It is free for free, okay? You can come in and check out the altcoin section, Defi, on-chain metrics and all that good mess in the text channels as part of the trade, and then hop over in the leverage trading channel for trading amongst the community members. We have an open trade for AAVE today. It is performing quite well already based on this liquidity pool release. But where are we looking at for AAVE in terms of not just this particular trade, but where are we looking at AAVE here in a couple of weeks? Well, you've got to look at it. It's been a nice move up from 362 range to 366, 67 range. We want to take out that 367, which is its really shorter term today. Resistance level. That's really the first hurdle we want to take out before we look to address any exit on the leverage trade today. However, we've got key resistance levels at about the 404 level. And then we have support, obviously, a little bit further back down here in the chart in the 350 zone. So that's okay. So we're kind of right back in the middle. If you want to look at it from that perspective, 366, we're kind of right in the middle-ish of 350 support, 400 resistance. That's kind of the way she's been in this continuation pattern, really, for weeks now. So I'm expecting a breakout. That's obviously not financial advice. You need to do your own due diligence for any cryptocurrency. They all come with risk. That's your legal jargon for the day. And all risk is yours. I think that she's taken a breather for a while and come down and consolidated. And now this, development, for AAVE is good news and should bring a little bit more energy and a little bit more momentum and a little bit more activity coming in to AAVE. Now, what happens if we get to that 400 level? Now, a breakout above 400, in my view, should push AAVE back towards the next stage, okay? She should quickly move through the 400 level. That's my opinion. She's going to, obviously, this is not a straight shot, but I don't think that 430, 440, 450 is too out of the realm of possibility, just based on what we know about her activity and what we know about how she's traded before. Now, the flip side to that is if something should happen, okay? You always have to factor out the elephant in the room, right, with Bitcoin. If something should happen, or equities or something in the States, something should happen, she needs to be able to confirm and hold that 350 support level. Breaking that would be, not something we would want to see because she legitimately, based on that level and bouncing off of that level numerous times, could easily fall back down into the 200 range. Most likely 280, 285 before sellers may be coming in, try to defend that zone, but could fall even further. So we want to keep an eye on that. Now we've got some red here coming in here. We are on the 1 minute, obviously. We want to keep an eye on this and see what happens. See, we're going to get this down. Okay. So you want to make sure, you want to take a look at what your plan is here. Remember that entry was at 361. You're at 365. Okay. So you're up 4 on that. 4 points. It's not a bad move. Right there in that, depending on your leverage level. And so you want to play that. Now, obviously we're not going to get to 400 and test that 400 to 404 level, most likely today. However, we will see, again, holding this move will be critical for AAVE in terms of the 4-hour chart.